This is Dr. Pooja Sharma, Associate Professor in Department of MBA, SGI. Today I will discuss about the financial planning of the companies. Already we have discussed about the financial planning assessment criteria. We have discussed the three assessment criteria of the financial planning. Here we have to discuss about we'll discuss about the financial planning of the companies. Finance is an important function of any of the business. As you know, there are the four important functions of any of the company. First, financing, liquidity function, dividend function, and the most important function is investment function. So the first function is the finance function. So we'll discuss about that. The function is mainly concerned with the economical procurement and profitable use of financial planning. Involves the determination of objectives, policies, and procedures relating to the finance only. Financial policies and procedures are the broad guides in the procurement, administration, and disbursement of the funds, which is the most important function of any of the business. Financial planning is an important function of finance manager. It does by the finance manager only. Whether the business is small or large, this function has to be performed, and carefully it should be planned. Financial planning is a vital part of the financial management. In fact, planning is the first function of the management. Before embarking on any venture, the capital must have a plan. Means, as I told you, either the business is small or large, it doesn't matter, but it should be planned, it should be performed carefully. An existing as well as the new business have to plan these functions with a great care. A well prepared financial plan will not ensure the procurement of the sufficient funds at right time, but it helps in increasing the profitability of the business also, and that helps in the proper utilization or the investment of the funds. Concept of financial planning. A financial plan is a statement is estimating the amount of capital, means whatever the amount is required by the firm, and determining its composition, means where you can get what sources you will decide for collecting the funds, either securities or shares or debentures or loan, whatever the composition of that. So that will be planned as per in financial planning also. The quantum of funds needed will depend upon the asset requirement of the business. Means basically, suppose you have to buy the assets for starting any business, you have to buy the assets of 10 lakh rupees, and the investment of that purchasing in assets is 10 lakh rupees. So you will procure the fund, means the quantum of fund is here 10 lakh rupees, and you a finance manager has to plan from where he'll get 10 lakh rupees to start the business or to buy the fixed assets. This time at which the time at which funds will be needed should be carefully decided so that finances are raised at a time when these are needed. Means you have planned in a very efficient manner, but you will not get that. You will take a too much time to plan that. So that is not good for the firm. Whenever you are planning, you need to plan it carefully, and that plan should be implemented at right time. Otherwise there is no use of that planning, because when the funds are needed, you have to procure the funds at the same time. So planning should not be take too much time also. It should be important for any of the organization. It will not take too much time. It should be very carefully decided, but should not take too much time. Concept of financial planning again. The next aspect of the financial plan is to determine the pattern of financing. As I told you, there are the various resources you can have the fund, you can collect. There are a number of ways for raising the fund. You can just collect the fund from the shares, from the debentures, from the bank loans. Depends on the circumstances, depends on the market condition, depends on the various factors. This selection of various securities should be done carefully. Means the cost of those securities should not be high. Otherwise, the profit you cannot, a business cannot have the sufficient profit or cannot grow. Objectives of financial plan. A financial plan has the following main objective. Adequate funds. A financial plan would ensure the availability of sufficient funds to start the business. Balancing of cost and risk means there should be a balance of cost. Cost here we are talking about the cost of the different capital, cost of the various sources, or the cost of the capital. The cost of the equity means like cost of the equity, cost of the debentures, cost of the loan means the interest which is paid on that, the dividend which is paid on that. These sources should not be high. And the risk involved in that means if the fund is collected from the debentures, so there will be high risk of the company. So this should not be, means it there should be balance of the cost and the risk to protect the investors. Flexibility. A financial plan should ensure flexibility as to adjust, means as per the requirement, as per the market condition, it should be changed or it should be replanned. It should be adjusted as per the changing conditions of market, changing conditions of the business. Simplicity. The financial structure should be complicated by issuing a variety of securities. It should not be complicated actually, and the number of securities should be less so that it can be easily understood by everyone. Long term prospects. A financial plan should take a long term view, means whenever it is prepared, whenever the financial planning is done, it should be done for the long term purpose. Liquidity of funds. The liquidity of funds should always be kept in the mind while preparing a financial plan. During period of depression, it is the liquidity which can keep a concern going on. Means it is important for any of the firm. It should have a sufficient liquidity. It should not be, liquidity means the working capital requirement. It should not be very high. It should not be very low. Both the conditions are not good. So the liquidity should be balanced. Best possible use means a financial plan should ensure sufficient funds for the genuine needs, means neither the plan should suffer due to the shortage of funds or should not be have the ample of funds or the wasteful for use of them. The funds should not be put to the should not have more than the requirement, and the funds should be put to their optimum use, means whatever the funds or how much funds or quantum of funds are required, company should have that. Characteristics of a sound financial plan. A financial manager should consider the following factors while finalizing a financial plan. It should be simple, as I told you, it should be understood by everyone. Based on objectives means it should be decided on the basis of the objective of the firms, what are the goals and aims and objectives of the firm. On the basis of that, it should be decided. Preference to be internal source means the company should avoid external sources. If the company is existing and company is having the retained earning or the profits, so company should avoid to collect the fund from the external sources. So that will be good for the company in aspect of the cost, because for the internal source company does not need to give any cost to any investor, because company is not collecting the fund from the outside sources. So the best sources for the company is internal source. It is the basically it is the profit or the retained earning. Flexibility. It should be flexible, means whenever it is necessary as per the changing of environment, changing condition, government policies, taxation policies, it should be the plan should be changed by the finance manager. Solvency and liquidity. It should have to the funds should have in the company should have the sufficient funds as and when the company is needed. Cost should be minimum always of the collecting the funds. Profitability means the purpose of that to get the maximum return, means the utilization of fund in that way, so or the investment of fund in that way, so the company can have the maximum profit. Thank you so much.